Good day, class! Welcome ulit sa classroom ni SIRJAY. So for this day, pag-aaralan natin kung paano hanapin ang nth term ng arithmetic sequence. So para mahanap natin yon, meron tayong specific na formula na gagamitin. So ito yung nakasulat sa taas ng ating bond paper. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So alamin natin yung mga variables na yan. Let's begin with a sub 1. That is the first term of the sequence. N, the number of terms of the sequence. D, we have the common difference. And last, we have a sub n. Ito yung pinakang unknown natin. That is the last nth term or simply the last term. Bigay tayo ng example. So, nakalagay sa ating problem is find the 10th term given ang ating sequence na 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then again, our formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, bago natin computein yung pang 10th term, isulat muna natin yung mga given. Let's begin with a sub 1. Dito sa ating sequence, ano ba dyan ang a sub 1? So, yun yung ating first term. So, we have 4. Next is n. Again, n is the number of terms. Ngayon, ang pagtingin ng n, hindi mo bibilangin yung given na sequence. Ang titingnan mo ay kung ano yung hinahanap. Since we are looking for the 10th term, therefore, n is equal to 10. Next is d, the common difference. Since alam naman natin na arithmetic sequence to, so pwedeng isang beses lang tayo mag-subtract. Again, so we're going to subtract from right to left. So we have 10 minus 8. We have 2. And last, we have a sub n. So now, for a sub n, instead of n, ilalagay na natin kung ano yung ating hinahanap. We have a sub 10. And then we put question mark. Since meron na tayong mga given values, ayan, pwede na tayong magsimulang mag-compute. Substitute lang natin yung mga values. Instead of a sub n, we're going to write now a sub 10 equals a sub 1, the value, we have 4, plus the quantity, we have n, is 10, minus 1. By the way, 1 is constant, hindi yun napapalitan or nababago. And last, we have d, which is 2. So, simplify lang natin. So, we have a sub 10 is equal to, uunahin natin ay yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, just simply copy 4 plus 10 minus 1, we have 9 times 2. So, we have a sub 10 is equal to, again, by following the hierarchy of operation, uunahin natin yung multiplication bago yung plus. So, yung 4, kokopyain lang ulit natin. 4 plus 9 times 2, we have 18. So, again, we have a sub 10 is equal to, for the final answer, we have 4 plus 18, we have 22. So, ayan. Ang hinahanap natin na pang 10th term ng ating sequence ay 22. Let's have another one. So, same given. Still, we have 4, 6, 8, and 10. We're looking for, or we're going to find a sub 7. So, that is the 7th term. Again, sulat lang ulit natin yung ating mga given. So, we have a sub 1 is equal to 4. N is equal to, now since we're looking for a sub 7, ang n natin ngayon ay 7. D, so hindi naman nabago ang sequence, kaya meron pa rin tayong 2. And we're looking for a sub 7. Then, recalling our formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So we have a sub 7 is equal to the value of a sub 1, 4, plus the value of n, 7, minus 1, times the value of d, 2. So we have a sub 7 is equal to 4, plus 7 minus 1, we have 6, and we have 2. A sub 7 is equal to 4 plus 6 times 2, we have 12. So for the final answer, we have a sub 7 is equal to 4 plus 12, we have 16. So the seventh term of our sequence is 16. So I hope may natutunan tayo. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.